Hey guys, Matt here, Routine Chaos and Reviews, back at you. First of all, I'm just going to ask, if you guys like what you guys are seeing, do me a favor, just like and subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get instant notifications when I release a video. So right now, what I'm going to be doing is take the hood off the truck, and then I'm going to start labeling all of the connectors for all the wiring going to the motor that's currently in there. Alrighty, I think we're going to start pulling all the wiring off of this truck now, or this motor, for the motor wiring, and I'm going to drain the radiator and get ready to pull this front nose off. Then eventually we're going to pull this motor and transmission out to get everything ready to prep the frame and start doing the Mustang 2 suspension and welding it in. Alright, well, I got all the wiring unplugged and everything labeled. So now all I gotta do is remove the cable going from the master cylinder, or the actuator from the master cylinder for the clutch to the transmission. And then the only other thing I think I have left is the ground cable from the body to the motor. And then I have to drain the radiator. And that's that. So tomorrow's another day. It's been a long day. Tomorrow I'll continue on in the morning, and then I gotta go to a wedding for the afternoon. So, all right guys, see you soon. Hey guys, today I got my buddy Paul over, and we are gonna pull the front clip off this truck, because very shortly I'm going to be pulling this 350 in the tranny right out of this. So let me take you guys along for the ride. Like I said, we're just going to push the truck outside, and then we're going to I undid all the bolts, and we're going to lift this front end off, and then it's going to come right off. We're going to put it off to the side of the yard, and then I'll pull the truck back in the yard so I can pull this motor and tranny out. Alrighty. Of course. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the frame where I'm at now. So basically I got rid of the whole, the axle, the front axle, and mostly everything. I just have a few little things to prep on this frame to take some stuff off, like these perches for the shocks, the shock perches, and even the spring perches. Those are pretty beefy. I'm going to have to do something with the rivets to get those perches off the frame. But this is where I'm at right now. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you guys for hanging in there. I know it's kind of a shorter video compared to some of my other ones, but it seems like I kind of want to do the shorter ones because it hopefully keeps your guys' attention. I know this is kind of a boring video. Not boring, but it has to be done, this stuff, in order to get ready to get the new front suspension in. But hang in there with me, because what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to basically be, the next video you're going to see is the one where I'm going to start welding up the front suspension, the cross member, and all of the pieces, because it's a Paul Horton hot rod edition. I'm going to have more information on that in the next video, but like I said, the next video we're going to be welding up the cross member and all the pieces that go with the front suspension, and then we'll be working on getting that front suspension in the truck. So like I said, thanks so much. If you like what you see, do me a favor, like and subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll be seeing the videos as soon as they come out. I know I'm a little late. I wanted to do this sooner, but some stuff came up, and I've just been really busy lately. So that's it, guys. We'll see you soon.